Hey guys, it's Nicole with A-Frayed-Knot, and today I'm going to show you how to take some Dollar Tree supplies and an essential stencil and turn them into an amazing farmhouse style looking wreath. So grab your cross from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using some AFK Fudgesicle watered down to give this a stained look. So go ahead and water down some Fudgesicle color paint and just start applying it to the cross. This is going to give it a stained look. If you have stain, I like the Minwax Dark Walnut. You can also use that, but I decided to go ahead and use the Fudgesicle. And then I'm going to just dry it and get our stain color nice and dry. And then I went ahead and I applied the cotton color in a dry brush to the top of the Fudgesicle after it was dry. And then I took my wax from the Dollar Tree, white wax candle, and I waxed the entire thing. Then I went ahead and I took my color Seafoam Green, and I am painting over the entire cross in the color Seafoam Green. Next, I'm taking my 80 grit sandpaper and I am distressing it. So we have got our stain, our wax, and our seafoam green color, and now we're distressing it to get that nice chippy look on the edges and the sides. And then I'm taking, you see me right now using the Essential Stencil. I'm using the He Is Risen stencil, and I am just using the portion that says Risen off of this stencil, and I'm stenciling it across the center of the cross. You can see it right there. It looks good. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my beaded wreath from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to first just lay everything out on it before I start attaching it. These floral picks are also from the Dollar Tree. They're very farmhouse looking, and I really, really like them. So I cut each one individually. Each stem from the pick I cut off separately, and then I just lay them out the way that I like them. And I'm taking some floral wire, also from the Dollar Tree, and that's what I'm using to attach to the wreath. So I just wrap it around the wreath. It actually holds really well, so you don't have to worry about the flowers falling off or anything. And I just wrap it around at the top portion of where I've decided to lay my flowers at, and in the middle and at the bottom. And it holds, like I said, it holds nicely. So I just lay my flowers how I like them. Just lay them out to what you actually like. So here I just kind of arranged them in a little spray off to the right, and the cross is going to sit off to the left. This is going to allow us to be able to see a portion of that beaded wreath, which is really cute, and you do want to see a portion of it. I don't think you want to cover the whole thing. So then I'm going to take my cross and I'm going to hot glue the cross down. So I just add a little bit of glue to the cross, and then I just apply some pressure and hold it down. So I'm just taking a few more flowers from the picks and just kind of plugging them in where I like them. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this DIY. Make sure you're following A-Frayed-Knot, and I'll see you soon. Thanks again. Bye, guys.